Yo, what's up, guys? So I have been spending a lot of time on this painting, and I decided that it's been a while since I've released a video, so why not do a studio tour? Haven't done one of those yet, so I'm gonna let you guys check out my workspace and where I do what I do when I do what I do. All right, well, we can start here. This is this like desk that I've kind of built. I'm doing some videos for the Liquid Stands company, and it made for a great standing desk. I haven't been on a keyboard in a while, so yeah. Houses my phone, all of my remotes, my batteries. It's nice. Then over here we have a fridge and basement stuff. I don't know. I don't think I'm ever gonna like cover this stuff up, but got an extra chair, some art that I'm holding here for now, and then I got my work in progress in the back there. Y'all can't see that yet though. Over here, we just have some storage. I keep a lot of my works in progress on that top shelf right there. Got some extra gamma saw and just some extra stuff. Got my projector back there, and then also all of my acrylic paint that I never use. Also got some oil pastels there. I messed around with it a little bit, but I think I want to get back into that. Oil pastels are really freaking cool. Also got a couple of my stencils up there, and this is where the stencils are supposed to live, with a whole bunch of them living on the ground over there, cause I'm dirty. Y'all getting a for real studio tour. This is how it looks on a regular basis. Then over here, we just got a whole bunch of my art supplies and whatnot. This is stuff that I'll use on a regular basis. My brushes and various gessos and all types of stuff. I could probably be a little more organized with this stuff, but I ain't. Back here we have a shelf that I use, and this houses most of my like extra canvases, and all of my camera equipment gets held here on this shelf right here. All of my lenses, stuff for my camera slider, they all live on here, and then all of my like cloth and whatnot. I've got so much fabric. All of the fabrics. That's kind of where all of this stuff was. Glue gun. And then various things, like I got a lot of those like pens and stuff. Those tattoos I was using for a little while. And then stuff like, got my money scraps for when I do like my money art and whatnot. Spent a lot of time getting stuff off of this shelf. Got some extra fake moss down there. Over here we have the big monitor where it's 144 hertz. So this is the monitor that I use for looking at references and whatnot. This is my work laptop that I have hooked up to it right now, because lately I've been working from down here. I do IT work, by the way, and a lot of my work I can do from home. So it's nice to be down here to be able to work and paint at the same time. It's a blessing for sure. Most of the time I have the stuff on here connected to the work laptop, so I can, you know, just stand and be able to use both that screen and the bigger screen to do my work and have a reference going and have a movie going at the same time. This piece right here, you guys may have noticed that I've been putting it in the background lately. I wanted to kind of highlight this piece a little bit. This is a wood joint that I built myself out in North Carolina when I lived out there. I was just bored and wanted to make some art, and this is before the channel and I really even started doing art for real. And yeah, this was a cool little project that shines in front and it shines in the back. I think it's pretty cool. I wanted a wall lamp, that's what I named it. Yeah, I love my little wall lamp. And then down here we have the stereo system. So down here we have my receiver and my audio interface. I can hook it straight up to there and then like listen to Tidal and have my music playing through some good speakers, like a good system. Like this receiver is pretty good receiver, and I have it hooked up. It's sitting on a subwoofer, and then under there, man, it's kind of hard to see, but under there I have my speaker, one speaker. And then we have another speaker over here on this shelf. And then I have another speaker up there. It's kind of hard to see, but trust me, there's a speaker up there. Over here I got my iPad. I love this iPad here when I need like references when I'm sitting at the desk, because this desk is I love this desk right here because it can go up, go down, and yeah, it's just great having my little reference just right here next to me. Also, I can like play videos off of that so I don't have to crack my neck looking up at the TV. But yeah, in here I house a lot of my paints, my bigger things of paint, like that guy lives in there. Yeah. And then, yeah, both of those are like that. And then we have all of my paints. This is where I keep such a crazy assortment of all types of paints. Just when I'm working on smaller paintings and whatnot, it's nice to have like a bunch of different colors, and yeah, it's really cool. I mean, I've been trying to mix my own, but yeah, this is where all my paint lives. I also have like extra brushes down here because I kind of just go through brushes. I'm like, screw it, throw them joints away. Yeah, I'll put them right up in there, and then when I'm done, throw them boys in the garbage. I get maybe 2 paintings out of each brush. So I don't buy expensive brushes. Yeah, and then we've got our moss wall that you see in the background. It's just fake moss. I need to fill in those little spots that look janky, but y'all don't notice in the videos because it's blurry a little bit. Got a little extra storage back there for like bigger canvases and whatnot. And then over here we have the camera slider living on the ironing board for right now. I saw this book on Jess Karp's channel, and I was like, you know, this book looked really cool, so I bought it, and I am not in the least mad about it. It's a really cool book. Like, it's got some cool stuff in it, especially because I want to start getting better like flowers and whatnot. So I thought this book was really cool, so I bought it. And my iPad living over here and whatnot. And then I have the Toolbox. So this houses a lot of stuff. We got, of course, the tools and all of my tapes and whatnot, and just a whole bunch of stuff stays in there. Easy access. I didn't have this for the longest, and for the longest all the tools just sat in the corner right there. So it's nice to be a little more organized for one. And then we got the sink. I use this to wash all my brushes and whatnot. And then sometimes I'll go in this deep dungeon. Sometimes I'll go in this dungeon and mix up some tunes. All right, guys, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the studio. Yeah, thanks for coming out. I will have some new art. I will be back soon with a new video. Hopefully, I don't know, this painting that I'm working on is really big, and it might take me quite a few weeks to finish. So I think I'm gonna start something else that I can finish in like a week or two, so I can have something new to give you guys in the next, couple of weeks here. Peace, love. Thank you so much for coming out. We are so close to monetization. Like, that's nuts to me. So if you want, you can go ahead and just go let my playlist play. I love you guys. Thanks, and I'll catch y'all next time for some more sweet stuff.